Presenting a pre-owned 2019 GMC Acadia SLT-1. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 250,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.